At this point is also where we're going to start applying that guava balsamic glaze, which we made earlier. If you find that the glaze went solid on you, all you need to do is, as I did here, I put some in a small jar and I tossed it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and it melted and became back that liquid. When I did the guava barbecue sauce recipe, a lot of people complained, or they were asking for suggestions on not using actual guavas, or guava as we say down in the Caribbean. So today what I'm going to show you how to use is guava paste, and it is a reduction of guava. It comes like this, or it comes like in a clear block as well. Found it like this, and you're going to do about 1 cup of that guava paste. Latin grocery stores, Asian grocery stores, Caribbean grocery stores, well, West Indian grocery stores, and some of the other major grocery stores usually carry it as well. And it's going to have a sort of a thick paste-like consistency like that. Very, very sticky. So just be mindful in case you're wondering if it's gone bad. No, that's just the texture that you are to expect from it. Once we turn the heat on here, all of that will soften up and work amazing. Now, because this is guava, has been reduced, it will have its natural sugars already, but I'll need some more sugar, so I'm going in with some raw cane sugar. And all the ingredients I use here today will be listed down in the description of the video. And then the final ingredient, some good old balsamic vinegar. And all we want to do here after I do this is to bring this up to temperature to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, and let that go until it's been reduced considerably. The whole idea is to infuse the flavors of the balsamic with the guava and sweeten things up so you form a sort of a glaze more than anything else. It's come up to a boil now, so I'm just going to reduce the flame. You want it on a sort of a simmer, and I'm just going to give this a stir. The more you move it around, the more that guava paste is going to melt, and you can see it's already starting to melt. The whole idea here now is to low and slow and let it reduce to form that lovely glaze that we're looking for. It's been about 20 to 25 minutes or so, and you can see it's nice and thick. It's been reduced. So all I'm going to do here now is turn the stove off. And my kitchen reminds me, the scent reminds me of when I was a kid and Mommy would be making guava jam for us. And that, you notice how nice and thick this is here. It will coat the back of a spoon. That is lovely. It does have that lovely hint of that guava in there. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of honey in here to finish it off, and then just let that cool before I jar it up.